Hi, are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Really? What is your name?
My name is Leo.
I'm Lena. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Why are you standing here?
I don't know where to go.
Oh, which class are you in?
Class 5.
Me too! We are in the same class!
Really?
Yes! Come with me, I will take you!
Thank you.
Are you scared?
A little. My hands are shaking.
It's okay. Every new student feels shy.
I don't know anyone here.
Now you know me! I am your first friend.
My old school was small.
Our school is big. You will like it.
Do students here shout?
Sometimes, in lunch break.
Do teachers shout?
Only when we don't do homework.
My teacher in old school was very strict.
Our teacher is kind. Where's your house?
Near the park.
Oh, I live near the bakery.
Bakery? I love cake.
Me too! Chocolate cake forever!
Is our class far?
No, just straight, then left.
Okay, I will follow you.
Do you have friends in the city?
Not yet.
Don't worry. Today, you will make many friends.
Are you sure?
100% sure.
Can I sit beside you in class?
Yes, sit next to me.
Okay, I feel better now.
Good, let's go inside. This is our classroom.
It's big and colorful.
Yes, look at the wall. We have drawings. Wow, they're great.
Wow, you made these?
Some are mine. Some are friends' drawings.
They are beautiful. Can I sit next to you?
Of course, you are my friend.
I feel a little scared.
Why?
New school, new people, new teacher.
Don't worry, everyone is nice.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, I see a new boy today.
Yes, ma'am. I am new.
Ma'am, his name is Leo.
Welcome, Leo. We are happy you are here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you like our school?
Yes, it looks nice.
It is a friendly school.
Ma'am, Leo was scared outside.
A little.
It's okay. Many children feel shy on the first day.
I don't know anyone.
Now you know Lena and you will know everyone slowly.
I will help him, ma'am.
Good girl. Leo, you can sit with Lena.
Yes, ma'am. I feel safe with her.
Safe and my bodyguard?
Yes, super bodyguard.
I don't have muscles, but okay. Do you have a pencil?
Oh no, I have a pen, but I do not have a pencil.
That is okay. You can use my pencil. I have two.
You are so helpful. Thank you. I like this class.
See, I told you.
Can we be best friends?
Yes, 100% best friends. It is lunchtime now. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Let's sit here together.
My mother packed rice and curry today.
That smells very nice. I have bread and fruit.
Do you want to taste my food?
Yes, I would love to. You can try mine too.
Sharing food feels good.
Yes, lunch is more fun with a friend.
I am happy I met you today.
Let's go to the playground.
Okay, let's go.
Leo, what games do you like?
I like running games.
Then you will enjoy this place.
Wow, the playground is very big.
Let's play together.
Okay, but I may run fast.
That's fine. I will try to catch you.
This is so much fun.
Playing together makes the day better. The school day is finished already. Time to go home.
Yeah, let's go. I had a really great day today, Lena. Thank you.
I'm so glad, Leo. Me too. I am happy you liked it. Are you still nervous about tomorrow?
No, I am not nervous now. I am very happy I have a friend.
I am happy too. I was bored before you came.
Will you wait for me at the gate tomorrow morning?
Yes, I will be here at 8 o'clock. See you tomorrow, Leo.
Goodbye, Lena. Walk safely.
Hi, Lena. Welcome home. How was your day at school?
Mom, it was amazing. I have a new best friend today.
That is wonderful news. What is your friend's name?
His name is Leo. He is a new student in my class.
Was he a nice boy? Did you talk a lot?
Yes, he was very nervous in the morning because he was new.
Oh, I understand. It is hard to be the new student.
I know, so I said hello and I showed him our classroom.
That was very kind of you. Did you play together?
Yes, we ate lunch together and we played tag in the playground.
I am very proud of you, Lena. You are a very good friend.
Thank you, Mom. Tomorrow, I want to show him the library and the art room.
That is a great idea. You are a very helpful girl. Today, Lena made a new friend at school. Leo felt nervous, but kindness made him feel safe. A small hello changed his whole day. Friendship makes new places feel comfortable. Always be kind to new people around you. You never know who needs a friend like Lena. Thank you for learning English with us. See you in the next simple, beautiful story.